So first I'm going to create one model in this DBT. Then we're going to discuss about, we're going to write snapshot on that file. Okay. So in these models, create file tickets or .sql. So select so one has ticket ID. Then here it is new as status. So then as ticket status I'm taking. Okay, I'm ticket status. Then I'm taking one date. So 0. The updated date. The updated date. So this is then I'm using uninal. Then I'm going to go create again same. I'm going to replace some data. ID 2 and status keep it change the date. So again uninal. Again paste. Okay. 3. Then again change status to progress. Okay, date 3. Date. Ticket status. Okay, so we have three colors: ticket ID, ticket status, and updated date. So take one more. So select for progress. So ticket status date change to 4. So this is the model. So on this model, we're going to write a snapshot. Okay, to how to access like historical data. Okay, see, first we will run this model. dbt run. You can use like this also tickets. If you use hyphen name, it will show like okay this one the question. Now check in the Snowflake tickets. This is okay. Create as the ticket ID, ticket status, updated date. Okay, new in progress. Okay. So now on this model, we're going to write a snapshot. Okay, snapshot model. So see the syntax. Syntax is important. Okay, so choose snapshots, create file. Okay, snapshot ticket check.sql, create. So then use again curly both curly again. First we introduce the config block. config use. So when we create in the snapshot, so it going to create separate schema in the Snowflake. Okay, separate schema in the Snowflake. So target schema, it's going to create one target schema. Okay, first we will give the snapshot name, snapshot. It's check. See the, okay, snapshot name. Okay, this one. So next line we need to use the config block. So config, like we need to mention target schema. So we can give any name. Okay, it's going to create one schema in the raw database. So snapshot, snapshots. Okay, this one again, comma here. Okay, this is the first config block. Config target schema is my snapshots. It's going to create in this raw database in the Snowflake. Okay, after running the snapshot. So again, see, we need to use one key, static key. So that is like, so we could check. It going to check the data. So one we need to mention one unique ID. So unique ID is in ticket ID is a unique ID. So we have already mentioned that. So unique key is equal to, so on that we have ticket ID, that is the unique. Then check columns. So it's going to check the columns values. Okay. So that is like ticket status. It's going to check ticket status. So ticket status. Then see. So if any deletes, okay, this one. So invalidated. Not deletes. Okay, it will go into, if we delete anything, it's going to find. Again, close this syntax. Okay, where we open before we do this. And after true, okay, we need to close this 6 config log snapshots. Remove this one. Close here. Start with target schema check. Okay. Then end with okay. So here we need to mention everything. So after that, select start from. So we use the ref on which model we are applying. So ref of tickets. Okay, this is the usual snapshot code. See. So snapshot name. So after we need to mention everything in the config plug target schema. It's going to create my snapshots. After that, one static key, check it unique key, ticket ID, and check columns, ticket status, and invalid hard deleted. If any data is deleted, going to find out. And again, so end with curly braces. Select star from preference of tickets. It's going to apply on the tickets model. So now check preview.
So strategy, what it makes?
Strategy key like we're going to check this columns value, checking the data. So if it is updated or deleted, like that, it's going to check. Okay. Again, checking again for this also. unknown tag snapshot. We will run the snapshot directly, then after we'll see the error. Okay. So okay, here we need to mention, we need to enter the snapshot. So thirdly, again, percentage end snapshot. Save. Okay. Check the preview now. Okay. So columns equal to ticket status. Okay, come on then validated, alternated. Ticket status. Now see again same code. Okay, check preview now. It got check columns like It's not showing the and it's running. So snapshots tickets check. So refresh here. So now it's created my snapshots from table. Okay, snapshot ticket check. So choose here, check what type of table it's created. So it's created transcend table only. Okay, remember. Then select data. So separate schema it's going to create. Select stop one check. Okay, so this is usual ticket ID, ticket status, updated date. So it will give for to access historical data, ID, updated it, DBT valid from, and up to what time it's having DBT valid. Suppose if I delete anything, will show that valid time from up to here. Okay, so we will see. Okay, see, go to DBT, then check one more time preview. Not so okay, now it's fine. So now we have ticket ID, ticket status, updated date. Okay, then I'm going to ticket.sql. Okay, here for new place I'm giving success. Okay, then I'm saving this one. Again, I'm running the snapshot. So even for if you have multiple hyphen select snapshot name. Now go to check again. So again, it's not reflected. Okay, new, same thing is there. So before go to running this again, check again. So not updated anything. Before that, check the preview. Okay, show success again, but not the. So before that, we need to run the model. So after that, we need to run the snapshot. Okay, still not updated. After tickets check. Okay, it's running. Now checking the Snowflake. Now we're going to see two records. Okay, so this one, old one. Okay, it will get valid up to this time. It's validated date. It's going to give. Okay, so this is new one success, and again it given one ID and one updated it when it's updated and valid from. So then valid to. So opt when we have this value up to it's going to be the valid. This is like a handling the historical data and new data. So these are ended data. Suppose if I go to change again ticket.sql, I'm updating everything. Same. Okay. Uh, and I'm trying to delete one row. This one. Save this one. Run. Okay. Select. Okay. So now see the run that snapshot. So now we can check this. Okay. So this one, okay, again this failed one and updated, okay, and it is see this fourth one, right? It's showing valid here, but we were still showing in progress. Okay, so it's not deleted. So it's not going to delete even when we it need to maintain the data, right? That's why it's not given. If it is give only any updated data, we have updated column, so not deleted column. Okay, so if you any is deleted, so it's going to show still in this box. Okay, so even the third one we deleted, still it's showing. Okay, this one only like it give updated date. So updated time, okay, updated it and updated value from DB12. Okay, this will if you need deleted, it won't reflect in this table tickets dot given, but it's going to show here in the reflection. You can see in this model. So when the data load into this snapshot model, so it's going to have, because of it's not updated, just we remove. So still it's going to show in this folder. So this is snapshots. Okay. So remember this one. Configure target schema my snapshots. Okay, starting check unique key ticket ID or check columns ticket status invalidate hard is true, and this again we are referencing the tickets in the snapshot. So now I done. We have created a model in the this no in the DBT and I'm doing this. But you do real time. We have table in the Snowflake. Then we will create on the table one model. Then we will write snapshot on that. Not like directly. Okay. So just I'm telling. I created table using snapshot using DBT in the Snowflake using union, but real time. So directly this tickets table you have in the Snowflake. So on that you need to write the model. On that model you need to write the snapshot. Just simply I created this table tickets here, but you can create this table in directly in Snowflake. After that you can write creating model. Okay. So this is a snapshot to access the historical data. So the main thing they will ask in interview. So have you worked with incremental models? Have you worked with historical data? So how you work with historical data? You need to explain about snapshot. So are we going to mention check column? You need to remember the syntax. Okay. This target schema. Okay, how it going to, if you run the snapshot, is it going to reflect in the source schema or are it going to create a new schema? So remember, it's going to create the new schema. So in some project they going to use one snapshot layer. So we have stage, intermediate and mart layers, and sometimes they will use core layer also, and they will use snapshot layer also. They would use, depend if they have if they need to maintain the historical data or any tables, then they're going to create one layer for snapshot. Layer means simply creating folder only, nothing else. Folder for that one. Okay, this is snapshot. Okay, so this macros same thing. Okay, something something is mistake in your app. It's not showing. But tomorrow I will show this one. So now try again, show the preview. Something error is there. Okay, I found it. I'll find out and I will tell tomorrow. Okay, so Mahesh, you have some doubts, right? Okay, they will respond.